Baba, it's me, Mama May. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato wedges. Yeah, let's get started. First of all, let's go through what we need to make a potato wedges. We need some potatoes, depends on how much you're going to make. For one person, 2 potatoes, the medium size, that would be enough. You can also use sweet potatoes. I washed these potatoes already, and now we just need to slice the potatoes into wedges. So, like this. Okay, now the potatoes are all sliced, and we just need to put in it. We put the potatoes in a saucepan. Top up with some water, just cold water. It's about enough water, just same level with the potatoes. That should be enough. And then we put a little bit salt to give a flavor, about 1 teaspoon. Now just put the lid on, boiling for 10 minutes. Now it's 10 minutes, it's whole boiled. It's very nice. Get the potatoes out. Yeah, be careful, very, very hot. Heat up a flat bottom frying pan. Put a little bit of oil. It's about just 1 or 2 tablespoons, just to cover the bottom of this frying pan. Wait until the frying pan is getting hot. And then put in these potato wedges on the frying pan, one by one. Put the potato wedges in the frying pan, and then just let it gently fry about 5 minutes. And then once one side is fried, it's all golden brown and it's a bit crispy, and then turn to another side to fry another side. When one side is look like golden brown color, and then we turn the side to fry another side. Maybe like this one, just fry this side. It's quite nice. Just turn the side, do this. Now the potatoes all fried really well, all the sides is nice, so like this. Yeah, it's quite good. So we'll put it in a serving dish, like this. Okay. It's all done for today, very nice. Yeah. If you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to click the like. If you want to watch more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye.